Is your iPhone holding your photos hostage, preventing your favorite apps from accessing them? Let's unlock that photo library together. First, tap on the Settings app, the one with the gears. This is your iPhone's control center, where we'll adjust the permissions. Scroll down until you see Privacy and tap it. Privacy is where all your app permission settings live. Now tap on Photos. This will show you a list of all the apps that have requested access to your photos. Here, you'll see a list of apps. Find the app that's giving you trouble. Underneath the app name, you'll see its current access permission. It might say None, Limited Access, or All Photos. Tap on the app. You'll be presented with options like None, Limited Access, and All Photos. If you want the app to have full access to your entire photo library, select All Photos. If you prefer to only grant access to selected photos, choose Limited Access. Still no luck? Head back to the main settings menu, scroll down, and tap General. Then scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, and then choose Reset Location and Privacy. This won't delete any data, but it will reset all your privacy settings to their defaults. You'll need to grant permissions to your apps after this. And that's it. Your apps should now be able to access your photos without any issues. Enjoy!